Welcome to Accent Master. Today we are continuing our pasta series to make sure that you can survive in Italy. This type of pasta shape, it's a short pasta of course, it works, matches really well soups for instance and other types of sauces. It's pronounced conchiglie, 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 conchiglie. Alright, so let's examine this. CH in Italian, it's always a K sound. Always. So, k. GL is a l sound. Imagine it like a thicker L. If that's difficult for you, do keep in mind that there are plenty of Italians, particularly in the south, that do simplify it into a Y. So rather than saying lie, you can say ye, if that's easier. With standard Italian, however, you should try to pronounce it as a l, conchiglie. This is, of course, a plural. Singular would be conchiglia. And what's interesting about that is that the word translated into English actually means shells. Shells. So if you are walking around the beach and you find a single shell and you pick it up, you're picking up a conchiglia. Or if you're on a very strict diet and you're only eating one, for whatever reason, then you're eating a conchiglia, not conchiglie. But do eat conchiglie. At least 150 grams is my suggestion. Buon appetito. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.